This happened to me not so long ago, where I found myself when I was supposed to be doing I think it was a drafting session, and I was meant to be expressing something to do with dreaming. I can't remember. It was something about going deeper into dreams. And I found myself about 45 minutes into this session, which was meant to only be 20 minutes, by the way, 45 minutes into this session, peering at the Roland website like this, at the internal schematics of the synth that I was using, like from the 70s, which had been scanned from the 70s, trying to find where in the chain the LFO was. Right? And I was like, what am I doing? What on earth am I doing? Even at one point, because it's an old 70s synth, and I felt like the LFO was working sometimes and not others, but I wasn't sure. And so what I was trying to find out was where it was in the chain so that I could test it. I even found myself smelling it to see if it's. I was like, do I smell something? Because I don't know if LFOs can burn out. I've got no idea. I'm not. I was like, I was literally sniffing a synth instead of expressing this purpose. Did I honestly have to smell my synthesizer in order to express the feeling of going deeper into a dream? No, I didn't have to smell my synthesizer. All I needed to do was remember what I was actually doing. Right? Because I can look at the schematics and smell my synthesizer all I want outside of the session. I can do that whenever I want. But in the session, what I'm meant to be doing is the thing I'm meant to be doing, which is expressing the purpose. And I didn't need that LFO for that. I got zeroed in on the technical, what I thought might have been a technical problem, not the actual reason, the purpose of the session itself. Okay. So when you have those technical problems, what you immediately want to do is go, okay, stop. What am I trying to do in terms of the music? What is the purpose I'm expressing? How else can I do that? I can put this technical problem to one side for now and use something else. Do it a different way.